Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest chapter of a story that has captivated and divided Ireland, the ongoing saga of Enoch Burke. Just this past Tuesday, the High Court made a decisive move, ordering Burke back to prison. This isn't the first time, but the circumstances surrounding this latest order are raising a lot of questions. The order for his recommittal came from Judge Brian Cregan, who cited Burke's repeated and flagrant breaches of a court order. This order specifically bars him from the grounds of Wilson's Hospital School in County Westmeath. For those unfamiliar with the background, Burke was a teacher at the school until he was dismissed for gross misconduct. The incidents leading to his dismissal included interrupting a school religious service and confronting the principal. Burke has consistently maintained that he is being persecuted for his religious beliefs. This stems from his opposition to a school request to use a transgender student's preferred pronouns. However, Judge Cregan strongly rejected this claim in his judgment, framing the issue squarely as one of contempt of court, not religious persecution. Burke's refusal to stay away from the school, despite a clear injunction, is the central issue. Initially, after being released from a previous stint in prison, the court tried a different approach. Instead of immediate incarceration for contempt, Burke was fined for every day he breached the order by showing up at the school. This strategy, however, proved ineffective. The fines have now accumulated to a staggering figure, reported to be over €225,000, but the financial penalty didn't deter him. He continued to appear at the school gates, leading the judge to conclude that imprisonment was the only remaining option to uphold the court's authority. Now, this is where the story takes a rather dramatic turn. The Gardaí, tasked with executing the High Court's committal order, have been unable to locate Enoch Burke. They called to his family home in Castlebar, County Mayo, not once, but twice on the same day. Social media accounts associated with the Burke family have posted videos of these encounters. The first video, filmed during the day, shows a Garda officer at the door asking if Enoch is home, after receiving no clear answer. The officers are seen leaving. Later that evening, a second video emerged, filmed in darkness. In this clip, Gardaí are again at the house, this time speaking with Burke's father, Sean. They inform him of the High Court order for his son's imprisonment and ask about Enoch's whereabouts. Again, they receive no response and leave the property. Since the court order was issued on Tuesday, there's been another interesting development. Enoch Burke has reportedly stopped appearing at Wilson's Hospital School. It seems the threat of immediate arrest and imprisonment has had an effect that the hefty fines did not. When asked for a statement, a Garda spokesperson confirmed that they are in possession of an order related to contempt of court for a named individual, but as is standard procedure, they declined to comment on the specifics of an ongoing operation. So, for now, the whereabouts of Enoch Burke remain unknown to the authorities. This situation leaves us with several unanswered questions. Where is Enoch Burke? Is he actively evading arrest, or is there another explanation? And what does this mean for the authority of the High Court? It's a complex situation that pits legal authority against an individual's staunch defiance. The legal system is trying to enforce its orders, while Burke continues his campaign, which he frames as a defense of his principles. It's a story that continues to unfold, touching on freedom of expression, religious belief, the rule of law, and the rights of transgender individuals. We'll be keeping a close eye on this and will bring you updates as soon as they become available. What are your thoughts on this latest development? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this update informative, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.